You are going to love the 2018 Yaris. Whether you're interested in the 5-door or 3-door model, the Yaris offers a sleek design, plenty of interior space, and standard side and side curtain airbags, as well as vehicle stability control. Named 2010 Best Overall Value of the Year by IntelliChoice.com, you simply can't go wrong with a Yaris and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.